folks, how's everybody doing today? Just coming to you live from the hay field. Doing a little bit of square baling today, trying to beat the sun. That is the name of the game this time of year, is beat the sun. We've got limited time in the fields as the days get shorter, so we're getting down to the wire here for the end of haymaking season. Hopefully we've got at least another few weeks left, but just wanted to give everybody a little bit of footage of us baling today. Probably about about an 8 to 9 acre field we're on. Sorry that the windows and the tractor is so dirty, but we have been working around the clock, mowing at night, hauling, raking, tedding during the mornings, and baling in the afternoons. And I say we're kind of limited on our help this time of year. Everybody's back to school, and we tend to use a lot of kids that are in high school to help with hauling the hay, stuff like that, offloading for deliveries. So they're really only available in the afternoons and weekends. So we do have one other person that's part-time that helps us, Michael Cathcart, and then kind of waiting on Christina to get here. We are hoping maybe she's going to come bale for me a little bit before it gets dark, and I can go start picking up hay out of the field. But she, like everybody else, had to work today. So pretty nice hay, especially for a fall cut. The color's not as pretty and green on it, but that's typical for this time of year. It takes so long to get it dry. That's what a lot of people really, I guess, have a misconception about haymaking, that really don't do it a lot. It takes a lot to dry it down. From the time you mow it to the time you bale it, you have to have hot days, hot evenings. Real high humidity does not help, and it takes this time of year 3 or 4 days, even though you think, oh, it's 80, 90 degrees today, it's hot out. It still takes time because the days are shorter. We have heavy dews in the morning, so the grass stays wetter longer. It's really hard to get hay to dry, and as the days get shorter and shorter, it gets harder and harder. You'll probably get tired of seeing the same old view. We got a stick riding along with us right there. Got hung up in a tree. I need to stop and get that off. This is every hay person's favorite thing. Light poles in the middle of the field. Make it hard to cut, hard to rake around, all that kind of stuff. But fortunately, this little field's just got one power pole in it. Here's a little shot of what's coming out of the back of the baler there. It's hard to, again, the tractor kind of rocks and I'm holding the phone. But just kind of have to watch that little gizmo there, because the bales will jam up occasionally when you make a turn. Just want to fall wrong, and so you have to get out and fix it. It's not always perfect, and just, that's just part of it. There, we just dropped the cube right there. We're running a whole 4 miles per hour today, baling hay. Lightning speed. But as long as you don't have any breakdowns or issues, you really can put down a lot of bales in a short amount of time with these machines. Well, I hope everybody has a good Friday evening. We'll be in the hayfield all weekend. We've got about 100 acres of some really nice hay down on the ground, and hope to get some customers filled up before the winter and put some hay in our barn. We're down to just a short number of square bales. Well, we broke a shear pin, folks. That'll be the end of this video. Thanks. Bye-bye.